she's back. Where is it? Where is it? It disappeared. I saw something shiny up there, and it was coming towards me, but now it's gone. As soon as I turn on the camera, it's gone. Where did it go? This is why I like to come out. There it is. There it is. It disappears into the clouds. I hope my phone got it. It's right in that area, right around there. There it is again. It's like going in and out. Moon, those are the clouds. Going over a star. Yeah, that's what you're saying. I don't think so. Why would it be moving towards me? Look at that. It's moving towards me. It started out way back there, and now it's right here. And it's like blinking. I'm not crazy, you all. Is it a satellite, maybe? Interesting, very interesting. Oh, I got scared out of my own fan. Okay. See, I'm daring, but I'm also like checking. I admit it. It's gone again. No, there it is. It's all over here now. So we got bats, we got big birds, and we got unidentified flying objects, apparently. I need to get me a better camera, a telescope. Do you all see it moving? I hope you all see it moving. I hope my camera's picking this up. And I hope my neighbor doesn't come out again in his truck, because he has this like standing out here recording. Oh no, you go to your mommy. I'm not your mommy. You go away. No. Go see your mommy over there. An apartment, whatever it is. Apartment 12, I think. I don't know. Oh no, and you got fleas too. No. Go away. Go. No. Don't come near me. No, ma'am. You go to your mommy's door. Shoo. You know, I'm not trying to feed this cat. Let me go back over here. I'm not trying to feed this cat. Like, The neighbor has been driving me crazy with her cat. This is her cat. She like wants to take care of it, but then she has me feed it also, and I'm like, no. Oh, here she comes following me. And I don't see that little star up there anymore. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go inside. My neighbor's still in the trash, and then this cat's following me. Love you all. Bye.